After a few days off, testimony picked back up today in the Michelle Troconis trial.
It's centered around surveillance video captured around the time Jennifer Farber Dulos was last seen alive in May of 2019. News 8's Eva Zamaris has today's coverage.
Surveillance video from a car wash in Avon captured this red Toyota Tacoma pulling up.
That is the customer lobby.
Investigators believe these cameras captured Farber Dulos dropping the truck off for cleaning and detailing on May 29, 2019. 5 days after they say he drove it down to New Canaan, killed his estranged wife Jennifer Farber Dulos, and returned to Farmington. We've learned through the investigation this truck belonged to one of Dulos' employees and was taken without his knowledge.
That's an exterior camera.
The manager of this car wash took the stand as part of Michelle Troconis' trial on Wednesday. He described their process of detailing the cars that come in.
We use all-purpose cleaners, spot carpet cleaners, and shampoo.
Is that for both the seats and the rug and the carpets?
Correct.
According to her arrest warrant, Troconis and Dulos shuttled the truck there, with Dulos in the Tacoma and Troconis following in another car. The jury was also shown this surveillance video from New Canaan, the morning Farber Dulos went missing. In it, you see someone go by on a bike, and a few hours later, what appears to be a black SUV coming from the other direction. It's alleged by investigators that person was Dulos traveling to and from Farber Dulos' home.
To my knowledge, there's not going to be any tie-in to either Farber Dulos or anything else, and more importantly, nothing with regard to my client.
A number of motions were also taken up on Wednesday, including arguments about the admission of data from Troconis' phone and testimony from the state's chief medical examiner, Dr. James Gill.
It is clear to this court, based on the 4 weeks of evidence that the jury has heard, that the jury can come to its conclusion and it need not rely on expert testimony.
The judge ruled information from Troconis' phone obtained in a second search warrant would be allowed, but testimony from Dr. Gill about his findings in Farber Dulos' presumed death would not. Troconis' defense attorney John Schoenhorn spoke about this outside of court.
Medical examiner did not review anything medical. He read a police report, looked at some pictures, and then looked at what the probate judge down in New Canaan did a couple of months ago and was going to render an opinion.
Troconis has maintained her innocence from the start, saying she had nothing to do with Farber Dulos' disappearance or death. Without Gill's testimony, court wrapped up early for the day. Testimony picks back up tomorrow. In Stamford, Eva Zamaris, News 8.